Google Coral USB Accelerator, the AI cheat code you didn't know you needed.
Ever felt like you're wrestling with your code, trying to squeeze out just one more frame per second from your AI project? It's that frustrating feeling when your hardware is the bottleneck, not your idea. Your brilliant computer vision concept is stuck in a slow-motion nightmare. Ever been there? Drop a me if this sounds painfully familiar.
The deadline is looming, the CPU is maxed out, and your real-time object detection is anything but real-time. The stress builds as you realize your hardware just can't keep up. It's the fast track to project burnout. But what if there was a way to flip a switch and get instant high-speed ML inference without a chaotic system overhaul?
Meet the Google Coral USB Accelerator, the game-changing ML accelerator that feels like plugging a shot of adrenaline directly into your project. This isn't just a speed bump, it's a quantum leap. Inside its tiny frame, the Google Edge TPU coprocessor unleashes 4 trillion operations per second, sipping a mere 0.5 watts per TOPS. Imagine your sluggish Raspberry Pi suddenly executing complex TensorFlow Lite models at a blistering 400 FPS. One developer told us their quality control camera went from a slideshow to a fluid real-time inspector overnight, catching defects they always missed. The sensation of seeing your model fly after being stuck is pure magic. Here's one trick they use to optimize their model, and we'll share the bonus secret for unlocking even more power at the end of the video.
This isn't just about speed. It's about reclaiming your focus. Forget endless optimization and power headaches. With the Coral USB Accelerator, you get straight to creating. As one AI expert put it, moving from CPU to the Edge TPU felt like upgrading from a bicycle to a sports car. Tech influencers agree, calling it a must-have that democratizes high-performance ML, letting you add a smart brain to any project in under an hour. We've seen hobbyists use its incredible power efficiency to build solar-powered wildlife trackers in remote fields, running for months. Even industry analysts praise its unmatched cost of ownership for scaled edge AI deployments. From robotics developers achieving 40+ FPS on their navigation systems to retail owners deploying smart analytics, thousands can't stop talking about this leap in performance. It just works. Which feature would be a total game changer for your project? The raw speed or the insane power efficiency? Let us know below. Ready to stop dreaming and start building? This tiny ML accelerator is in high demand and stock is often limited. Join the thousands of developers, makers, and pros who have already supercharged their workflow and left laggy inference in the past. Don't get left behind. Click the link in the description to secure your Google Coral USB Accelerator today. As a thank you for watching, clicking now unlocks an exclusive guide on a hidden compiler flag that can boost your model's performance by another 15%.